Now AI avatars can literally smile and even change their face shape. Yes, the game has officially changed. These avatars can show real emotions, move their face naturally, and react just like a human. AI avatars keep evolving with the power of AI. A lot of channels in my niche are using these AI avatars for videos because it's 100 times easier, and honestly, it's actually cool. I just came across one of the most advanced AI tools that you can use to make AI avatars. Before going into details, let me show you a video I created using this AI tool.
The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with AI and next-level performance. The Galaxy S25 series understands what you need and what you will need next. Now, Brief proactively shares information tailored to me when it matters most. Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph. This level of integration is revolutionary and, importantly, is more personal. Simply talk like you would to another person to complete tasks.
Most AI tools can't do this. Smiling, changing face expressions, and even real hand movements, almost impossible. But now, AI avatars can do all of that. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. These AI avatars can act, emote, and move like real humans, perfect for faceless YouTube content, brand promotion, product videos, tutorial videos, and so much more. So in this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step and show you exactly how to create these next-gen avatars. So make sure you pay very close attention. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Rendora AI, a next-level platform that creates hyper-realistic 3D AI avatars capable of doing all sorts of activities like smiling, posing, and showing real emotions. You can easily customize their outfits, facial expressions, and accessories. But that's not all. You can also create stunning 3D backgrounds and use these avatars for multiple purposes like news presentations, product reveals, and even YouTube videos. So, the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Next, click on Create and select Landscape Mode. You'll then land on the dashboard with the default scene and avatar ready to go. First, let's customize our avatar. Click on Avatar and choose the gender of the character. I want a female influencer, so I'll select the gender as female and see what we've got. We've got these good-looking avatars in professional outfits. For this video, I need an AI avatar with a professional look to do a product presentation. So let's select this one. To customize the character, click on the avatar, and you'll be taken to a new page. Now, we can customize everything: outfit, makeup, hairstyle, and face. Let's start with the face. As you can see, we can adjust features like face shape, eyebrows, lips, and ears. Let's select the face shape. I'm going with this one. For the eyebrows, let's go with this style. Honestly, you can edit this however you want. Just make sure it doesn't look uncanny or mismatched. Some combinations of lips and ears don't suit certain face shapes. Make sure the face looks beautiful. Now, let's go to makeup. I'm not an expert here, so I'll just choose something that looks nice. I think this makeup style is good. Click Apply and Save. Now let's check the accessories. Again, I'm not an expert, so I'll go with this pair of earrings. If you want, you can add glasses too. Now, let's go to hairstyles. We have short, medium, and a lot of hairstyle options. For this video, I need a professional hairstyle. This one looks good. You can even change the hair color. I don't think this color is suitable. It doesn't look professional. So I'm choosing this one instead. Now, let's change the outfit. As you can see, we have a variety of styles for different occasion. This one looks perfect. It's professional and fits our video. Depending on your video's category, you can choose a suitable outfit. There are hundreds of options. This will be the final version. I think it's perfect. Now, I'm going to try several motions to see how advanced this AI avatar is. Let's try, look at the sun. Wow, this is amazing. You can clearly see that out of all the AI avatar tools, this one is the most advanced. All the movements are super clean. Just look at these movements, it's mind-blowing. Avatar customization is done. Now let's edit the background studio. You can select any background studio for your video. Some of the background scenes have really good camera movement. These can be used for different categories, presentations, product introductions, TED Talks, and even news-related videos. If you go to the template feature, you'll find many pre-made studios with suitable avatars for various use cases. For today's video, a product marketing video, I'm choosing this background. It's perfect for this type of marketing content. I've created a specific script for this marketing video. If you want, you can use the AI writing assistant to generate your own script. I'll paste the first part of my video script. Now, we need to select an AI voice. Go to this option, and you'll find ultra-realistic AI voices. You can listen one by one and which one match perfect for your video, select that. I'm selecting this one. Now, let's select a shot for our first scene. In each scene, you can highlight words, select a camera shot for emphasis, and assign an action, like nodding, waving, or hand gestures. You can even add pauses to the speech. This is very important. Pauses make the voiceover sound more human and less robotic. From here you can add video clips or images related to the script. Click on this option and upload the materials. Then place them in the correct order in your scene timeline. After that, you can edit the scenes individually. Click Edit and then click Cutting, and you'll be taken to the editing dashboard. Here, you can sync the uploaded video clips with the voiceover. It's really simple. I added multiple background scenes related to the product. Editing is completely up to you. Now, click the 3D Generate button to start rendering your video. If you are not satisfied with the output, you can return to the editing dashboard. In the Cam Edit feature, you can adjust camera angles to enhance video quality. You can adjust the avatar's position however you like, full screen, corner placement, full face view. Everything is completely customizable. In the Elements tab, you can add background music, sound effects, and edit subtitles. They offer some background music, or you can upload your own and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. For subtitles, choose a suitable style from the available templates. Once everything's done, click Export to finalize the video.
The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with AI and next-level performance. The Galaxy S25 series understands what you need and what you will need next. Now, Brief proactively shares information tailored to me when it matters most. Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph. This level of integration is revolutionary and, importantly, is more personal. Simply talk like you would to another person to complete tasks. Our secure hybrid AI approach keeps your private and secure a dedicated security processor and dedicated memory chip work to safeguard your data. Our goal is to enable personalized AI experiences by integrating AI agents and multimodal capabilities on all our devices. Having Gemini just a button right press away is a total game changer. It can already think things through for you to inform actions across apps. The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do with cutting-edge AI and next-level performance.
You can use videos like this for your brand or product promotion, especially if you are a small business owner. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars for it. With this tool, you'll save time and money. I also made a video especially for YouTube creators like me who don't want to show their face. You can use AI avatars with Rendora AI instead, so make sure to watch that video and get inspired.
Hi guys, today I'm going to share you some tips and tricks on the new ChatGPT model. Now don't get me wrong, the old ChatGPT is good, but the interacting with the large language model in this old interface can sometimes get a bit tricky. For example, let's say you want the first paragraph to be rewritten. The only way to do that in the old interface would be to prompt it all again. And then it would have to regenerate the entire passage instead of only the first paragraph. With Canvas, ChatGPT gets a better understanding of what you're trying to do. Here's how it works. You've got shortcuts for quick actions. The first option here in the toolbar is Suggest Edits. So if we click on it, it'll start commenting into my writing here. Let's scroll through and see what it added. The highlighted sections are the comments, so if I click into here...
See, it's amazing. If you want to learn more about these features, head over to the Rendora Academy page and watch the tutorials. As for pricing, their starter package is just $19 per month with 3,000 credits and access to all features. They also offer a free plan, so you can try it out using the link in the description. Just imagine the kind of content you can create using Rendora AI. You just need to take the first step and start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.